My mother, who was my YouTube partner, who used to do the cooking, I used to do the voiceover and editing, is no more. She passed away on 4th November 2021 due to fourth stage cancer. So, with a heavy heart, I'm trying to continue the legacy because she was very interested in YouTube. And she's made a lot of videos before June, that is in the month of April and May. So those videos I would like to first publish, and then later on I would cook what I know. So let's start with watermelon milkshake. This she prepared in the month of April. So for this we need only 4 ingredients, which is watermelon, sugar, cold milk and ice cubes. So I'm sorry that the watermelon season is no more this year, so you have to wait to try out this recipe next year. So first let's cut the watermelon into small cubes. If it's possible, you can deseed them. If otherwise, we'll use a sieve so that we can hold the seeds back. So first we'll do that. So once we have the cubes ready with us, then we'll take 10 cubes into a long jar of the blender. I'm going to add with seeds, so you can do the same, and then add ice cubes to it. Around 4 to 5 ice cubes should be fine, and watermelon around 10 pieces will give you around 2 glasses of milkshake along with 1 glass of milk. So we'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you want more, you can add, or if you want less, you can add. So these are like up to you as to this is the method. How much you would like to add is up to you. So 4-5 ice cubes should do, and then 3 tablespoons of sugar. With that, a glass of boiled, cooled, refrigerated milk, whether it's cow's milk or buffalo's milk, doesn't matter. 1 glass of that, and vanilla essence a drop, or rose essence a drop. If you think this essence is strong, then add rose water 1 teaspoon. It will be mild. Or don't want any essence, it's okay, leave it. So now we'll add a glass of milk. So once we've added the milk, we will use the pulse mode and we'll blend it 2 or 3 times. And since watermelon is easy to blend, it will become a smooth paste. Now this is the right consistency. We can use a sieve and pour into the glasses that we have kept ready, and we can garnish it with watermelon pieces, of course deseeded, so that when you drink you get some cubes or pieces. It's nice. Also you can add some other flavors like lemon, mint or ginger. Try it, whichever suits you, you add it. And thank you for watching my video.